Good day. Today we're gonna try to do a tutorial video for the task 2.2 for the name Blinky using a photon. The device we're gonna use today is photon and also USB cable. We're gonna use our computer as a power source for the photon. Through the particle web IDE, we're gonna write all the codes here and we're gonna go through it and then flash it to the particle photon. First, we need to initiate some variables. So we initiate LED 1 as D7, which is the LED on the board. Second thing, we're gonna make a string, name to blink, and put the name here, which we gonna use to blink, basically. In the setup of the photon, we're gonna put a bin mode to put the mode of LED 1, which is D7 as output, and digital write LED 1 to low, which means like we're gonna start the D7 LED as low, which means like we start this LED as off. And in the loop, we're gonna put Morse code name to blink, and we're gonna like explain this function later on. But loop is kind of looping this Morse code function again and again until we disconnect the particle photon card. Let us go through our functions now. I will ignore this till the end. Let us start with the long blink function. A long blink function, we're gonna do a digital write to LED 1, which is D7 to high, which is putting this LED 1 to on, and delay 2 seconds. And then digital write LED 1 to low, which means like put the LED 1 D7 to low, which is off, and delay 1 second. The same thing for short blink. We're gonna digital write LED 1 to high, which is putting the LED to on, and delay just half a second, and then digital write LED 1 to off by putting it to low and delay 1 second. So the difference between long blink and short blink is just the delay between being on and being off for the LEDs. The next function is letter to light, and we're gonna pass letter to this function in order to choose which letter is coming through. And we use the switch Y and put the letter which pass through the functions here to there, and we choose which case is it. So if it's A, and then I put here all the alphabetics for English with the Morse code for it. So for example, A is short blink and then long blink. If B, it's long blink, short blink, short blink, short blink, and etc. And I put a break so when it's putting this into order, it doesn't fall across all the alphabetic. It just break once it's done for B, for example. Now I'm gonna explain the Morse code function. So the Morse code function, we are putting the name to blink, pass the name to blink into this Morse code function, and then we're gonna use 4 in order to go through the whole name. So from I0 to I name to blink to length, which means like the length of the name, we're going through letter by letter in the name of the blink, and then pass each letter to light, which is this part here, when we pass the letter one by one and then switch which one in order for blinking either short or long. And in the loop here, this Morse code name is looping through. So once we put the name to blink in the string and we use the loop, it will continue looping through this, lighting each letter on and on until we put the particle photon off. Here we're gonna save the code and then we're gonna verify. So let us now verify. It's compiling and it says great, verified, great work. So it's all good to go. And then we're gonna flash. But let us first connect the particle photon. So I'll put the USB cable here and this to the computer. It will blink a little bit. So let us now try to flash it. It will start flash soon. Yep, it's now flashing. And then it will start the program straight away, which now it's flashing, as you can see on D7 on the board. I hope this gives you an idea of how to do name to blink code. and I hope this will be helpful for you guys. Thanks so much and have a nice day. Bye.